Hello, welcome to Author Talk. I am Peter Webb. I published 21 books on Amazon KDP. Today I am going to discuss about a blog. Today I wrote on Medium. The title is Shadow of Fear, an encounter with a parapsychologist. This is a series of blog. This blog describe about a family's painful agony that family saw a black shadow frequently at their home. They could not identify why it is happening. Prakash and his wife Meera and 2-year-old girl Lashmi were staying in that home. So they could not identify what is the real reason. They approached a psychiatrist and they invited a Vastu expert, but those people could not find the real reason. Then the psychologist referred this family to a parapsychologist. The parapsychologist is a famous person in South India. He retired from a college and they visited the house of the parapsychologist. He patiently listened their story and later he agreed to come to their home and check it what is wrong with there. And he also informed that along with he would accompany with a psychic medium for detailed search. The psychic medium has a special ability to find the unnatural things and the spirit, these all things. So this story ends this chapter, but next chapter is going to describe how the parapsychologist and the psychic medium find the solution of this issue. So that I am going to write next day. So thank you for listening this short video. We will meet tomorrow. Bye. Thank you.